Reading Pioneers is proud to present Where's My Teddy? By Jez Alborough. Eddie's off to find his teddy. Eddie's teddy's name is Freddie. He lost him in the woods somewhere. It's dark and horrible in there. "Help!" said Eddie. "I'm scared already. I want my bed. I want my teddy." He tiptoed on and on until something made him stop quite still. "Look out!" he thought. "There's something there." "What's that?" "A giant teddy bear." "Is it Freddie?" said Eddie. "What a surprise! How did you get to be this size?" "You're too big to huddle and cuddle," he said. "And I'll never fit both of us into my bed." Then, out of the darkness, clearer and clearer, the sound of a sobbing came nearer and nearer. Soon the whole woods could hear the voice bawl, "How did you get to be tiny and small? You are too small to huddle and cuddle," it said, "and you'll only get lost in my giant-sized bed." It was a gigantic bear and a tiny teddy, stomping toward the giant teddy and Eddie. "My Ted!" gasped the bear. "A bear!" screamed Eddie. "A boy!" yelled the bear. "My teddy!" cried Eddie. Then they ran and they ran through the dark woods, back to their homes as fast as they could. All the way back to their snuggly beds, where they huddled and cuddled their own little Teds. Thank you everyone for joining us today with the story, Where's My Teddy? This is a classic story that I used to read when I was a child. How about you guys? Comment below your thoughts about the story, and let me know if you also read this when you were a child. If you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate it if you click the thumbs up button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and share it with your friends and family. We're trying to grow a giant library of fun stories for kids to read, and parents to read for them. So, until the next upload, check out some of these other videos from our library. I'm sure you'll enjoy them. Unfortunately though, that is all the time we have for this video. So, until next time, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye-bye.